Fixing the squeal on a York LX series furnace requires lubricating the blower motor bearings and inspecting the run capacitor to restore proper RPM. This directly targets the metal-on-metal friction and rotational drag, causing the high-pitched noise from the blower compartment. Before opening the cabinet, shut off the power at the breaker panel and the exterior furnace switch. Remove the bottom access panel to expose the blower assembly. The squealing noise almost always originates from dry sleeve bearings inside the blower motor, as these direct drive motors require periodic lubrication to spin freely. Unplug the wiring harness connecting the motor to the control board. Slide the blower assembly out on its metal tracks. Locate the two small oil ports situated on the bell ends of the motor housing. Remove the yellow or black plastic plugs covering these ports to access the bearing sleeves inside. Apply exactly 3 to 4 drops of 20-weight non-detergent motor oil into each port. Using standard penetrating fluids or multi-purpose spray lubricants burns off immediately under high heat and destroys the bearings completely. Spin the squirrel cage blower wheel by hand to distribute the new oil evenly across the motor shaft and internal bearing surfaces. Inspect the oval run capacitor mounted to the blower housing for any bulging at the top or leaking fluid. A failing capacitor causes the motor to struggle, overheat, and squeak heavily on startup. Reinstall the blower carriage, plug the harness back in, restore the power, and run a standard heating cycle to confirm the blower operates silently.